Hey, this is Chan, and today I'm here to share my weekly layout, the weekly layout that I've created in my A5 plain notebook from Hobonichi. I've been having so much fun creating my own weekly layouts that I just wanted to share them with you guys, and then hopefully give you guys some ideas if you're thinking about doing the same thing. So when I started this notebook, I just kind of dove in. I was so excited about using this notebook that I started off with more of a scrapbooking and journaling type of thing, right? So the first section is scrapbooking and journaling. And then I started a weekly view in the second section. So if you're not familiar with the plain notebooks from Hobonichi, they have 4 sections of colors, right? So there's like a section with red grid, and then blue, and then green, and then purple. So what you can do is you can use each colored section for a different thing if you want, or you can just use it all as one. It's up to you, right? But I decided to make the weekly view in the blue section. So to start off my weekly section, I wanted to create a little title page. So I just used a piece of pattern paper in the background and then put a couple of pieces of ephemera, this adorable little guy here. And then this is a little sticker that looks like a piece of washi tape. I just thought that was cute. What you could do is add index tabs to your different sections if you want to make them easier to find. I've been thinking about doing that, but I want to use index tabs that I really like. So I've got to go through my stash and try to find really cute ones, or maybe die cut my own. Okay? Alright, so let's get on to the weekly layouts I've done. I'm going to show you each one, and then I'm going to kind of go through how I put it together. Right? So this is the first weekly layout I did in this book, and it's also, honestly, one of my favorite weekly layouts that I've ever done, like ever. And this actually really made me rethink using printed weekly layouts, because I had so much fun doing this, guys. I think if you just free yourself from the printed layout, it just gives you so much creative freedom, and you can just do whatever you want, and I love that about this, eh? I had so much fun doing this, I can't even tell you. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of walk you through how I did this. So normally when I'm working in my weeks book, a lot of times I'll section off the different days with thin washi tape or something, right? I like to section off the dates so that there's kind of a visual separation, right? But in this case, instead of using washi tape, I really wanted to do something a little bit different, but still kind of section off each day. So what I did was I fussy cut these pencils from this journaling card. This is a journaling card from the Knick Knack Core Kit from Project Life. I just cut them out with scissors, and these are the scissors that I love these scissors. So these are the ones I use. And I cut them out and glued them on. And I just think it looks so cute. I mean, I love anything that has to do with writing. I don't even use pencils, people. I mean, I use pens, right, and markers, but I don't really use pencils, but I love images of pencils. So for the pencils here, I actually fussy cut 2 cards. Because here's some left over, because I needed more than just 5 pencils. So that's how I did that. And then this typewriter right here is from another journaling card. This one right here. So this is another journaling card from the Knick Knack Core Kit. So if you're thinking about doing something like this, but let's say you're just short on time, you don't have time to cut out a bunch of designs, let's say, right? Then stickers are definitely your friend, and washi tape is your friend too. Because those you can just peel and stick, right? So here I use a lot of stickers for the dates and also for my bulleted lists here, and then these titles here, these are stickers as well. Okay? Let me just show you where I got these stickers from. So my big titles here, the Write It Down and the Master Plan, those are from this Heidi Swapp sticker book. There's a bunch of these large titles here that you can just add to your pages, and it takes up some space, and it just kind of makes things look kind of fun, right? Okay. And then the little dots, these are these kind of iridescent foil little dots. They're from this sticker sheet. There's a little bit of shimmer to them, right? And I took this out of one of my sticker books. I'm pretty sure it's from this sticker book. I'm gonna have to look back at my flip through video just to make sure, but I'm pretty sure it's from this sticker book here. And then for my days of the week stickers, these stickers right here, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, these are from this sticker book, the Crate Paper Journal Studio sticker book, and they actually have them in a bunch of different colors. So you can do a bunch of weekly layouts with these, right? I just like the way these look. I think they're really cute. And then these tiny little number stickers, and also these July and August stickers, and also this sticker and that sticker right there. They're from this Mambi Happy Memory Keeping Dates and Holidays sticker book. I use a lot of them already, but you get another sheet of them, these little number stickers. These ones are on clear sticker paper. And then you can see there's the different months of the year there, and you get different colors of them. Okay? So that's how that page came together. Mostly stickers and some fussy cutting. And then around all 4 edges of my layout, I used this washi tape. This is an MT washi tape that has a white background and black polka dots. This is a very versatile washi tape. I've used so much of this tape. I think this is probably my, I don't know, it could be my 4th roll, I don't know. I've used so much of this tape because it just goes with everything. So if you're the kind of person who doesn't want to spend too much money on tons of washi tape and then try to figure out what matches with what, just get basic stuff like this and it'll go with so many of your other supplies. It'll go with so many of your stickers and ephemera pieces and that kind of thing. It's just a very, very versatile washi tape. And there's something that I really like to do, and I know that not everyone has the time to do this, but I really, really love using stuff from different companies, different brands, and different collections, and just making them work together. Like, something so satisfying about that. So here I use, Project Life stuff, and Mambi stickers, and Heidi Swapp stickers, and crepe paper stickers, and I love making things work together and make it look like it's supposed to go together, even though they're from totally different brands. I really love doing that. And in case you're wondering about this ink color, this is Zebra Sarasa in magenta. I love this ink color. Normally, I'm not that excited about the standard colors that come in color sets of gel pens and markers and things, but I would say that this is one of the more fun colors from the Zebra Sarasa range of colors. It's just a really fun color to write with. Okay, so now we're on to layout number 2. So with this one, I just kind of went nuts with the stickers again. Here I just put washi tape on the top and bottom and not on the sides. And there's that washi tape again. There's that polka dotted washi tape. I used it to separate my days this time, right? And something I really love about making my own weekly layout is that you can make the spaces for each day a different size, right? You don't have to make them all uniform, and you can tailor them to your week. So I should probably mention that I'm not the kind of person who needs to plan ahead. I don't actually plan. I treat my planners and planner stuff more as a way of memory keeping. And for me, it's also a creative outlet as well. So I really love decorating in my planners, and for me, that's a major part of why I enjoy it. If I didn't get to do the decorative part of it, then I wouldn't even bother, honestly. I love decorating, right? So you can see that I went kind of nuts with the stickers here, but it was so much fun, and I love the colors. I love coming up with color schemes for my layouts and stuff. I just really have a lot of fun with this kind of thing. So here I used a lot of stickers from the Paige Evans sticker book, which is this one here. I've used a lot of these stickers, and I did a flip through of this too. I did a flip through of all the sticker books that I'm going to show you today. So if you want to check those out and see the sticker books in more detail, then you can check out those videos. Okay? So most of these stickers are from the Paige Evans sticker book, but I also used this little calendar sticker from the Heidi Swapp sticker book I showed you before. This sticker book. So the little calendar is from here, and I just had to write in the date. And also this weekly plan title is from here as well. And then for the days, see, that's a fun thing. With these weekly layouts, you can make every week different, right? So for the days of the week, I use these little banner stickers from, let me see, this sticker book right here. So the days of the week are from this page right here, right? And then these little numbers are also from this sticker book right here, right? So with these ones, I put the little circle stickers on the banners where they could fit. So with the Sunday banner, there was some space there. I could put the little circle there, right? And then some days, there just wasn't enough space. So for example, this Wednesday sticker right here, there's no space for the little circle to fit there. And the Thursday, it would just look a little crammed. I did try to put the little circle near the day of the week, but then it just looked funny, so I left it off. But the thing is, if you have numbers on some of the days, that's all you really need, right? Because if you have Tuesday the 6th, then you know Wednesday's the 7th, and you know Thursday's the 8th, right? And you got Friday the 9th right there, so you know Saturday's the 10th, right? So you don't really need to have the numbers on every single day. So most of the decorative stickers are from the Paige Evans sticker book, like this cute little pencil case. Isn't that adorable? I love that. And then these little circles here, the ones I use for my bulleted lists here, they're from this sticker book here, the Everyday sticker book from American Crafts. There's the page right there. So I got them from this section right there, right? So with these weekly layouts, I don't actually do these until the week has already passed. And then that way I can kind of figure out how much space I want to give to each day. And that's a great thing about making your own weekly layout, because you can customize it. You can customize the space for each day, right? Because if you're using a printed layout, then basically each day gets the same amount of space, or sometimes Saturday and Sunday get a smaller amount of space, right? But if you're making your own, you can make one day really big if you want, and then make other days a smaller space. And to be honest with you guys, I'm not a super busy person. I'm really not, and I'm not ashamed of that. I mean, some people are very busy and have tons of things in their planners, but I'm just not that kind of person, and it's okay, right? So you can see that I don't have a huge amount of entries per day. I just like to remember things that have happened and things that we've done, you know? It's just nice to remember things, right? And I honestly don't have a very good memory, so if I didn't write it down, I wouldn't even remember things I did a few days ago. I'm serious. Okay, so let's get on to the next layout now. So with this one, I used a lot of stickers from the Maggie Home sticker book that I showed in one of my recent videos. I love this sticker book. This sticker book right here, I love it. So I use a lot of these stickers. In fact, these 4 were from this page right at the front, right? So for this page, I divided my days with this washi tape. This is a gold foil washi tape from crepe paper. I honestly don't recommend the set though, because a bunch of the washi tapes from that set do not stick well, so I would not recommend it. I showed it in one of my haul videos, and I even mentioned in the video that they just didn't seem to stick very well or didn't have a very good adhesive on them. But this one sticks okay. I just wouldn't recommend the set though, because I don't know if you really want to spend the money just to get one that sticks well and then a bunch that don't, you know what I'm saying? But I do like this one particular tape. So now I just want to point out how I did the dates for this page. It's really fun to me to kind of figure out how I want to decorate each week and how I want to do the days of the week. So for this one, I used these circle stickers from the Maggie Home sticker book. So let's just see here, they're from here, okay? So I used a bunch of these stickers already, and I just stamped the date on there. So here's a little tip. If you're nervous about sticking the stickers down and then stamping on them and messing up, then just stamp on the stickers while they're still on the sheet. And that way, if you mess up, you can just try again, right? So in this case, I stamped this. It looked kind of funny, like the one's like way lower. I actually really like imperfect stamping in journals and planners because I just think it looks charming, right? But in this case, I just thought my stamping was a little too off, so I tried again and it was okay the next time. And then for the days of the week, these Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday stickers, I used stickers from this Amy Tangerine sticker book, from this page right here. So there are these like gold foil, kind of a matte gold foil days of the week stickers here. So these stickers actually cut into little rectangles, right? And I didn't really want to just slap on a little rectangle shape on there, so I actually kind of cut around the days of the week just to kind of make them look a little smaller. It doesn't really matter, you can just stick them on as a little rectangle if you want. I wanted to point out another idea I had with these circle stickers. I did not end up using this idea on this layout, but I wanted to show you guys anyways. These circle stickers will actually fit very nicely on these banner stickers that are in the same book. So I thought about using these before, but they would take up a little too much space. That's why I did not end up going with this idea. But I just wanted to point that out. You can use these on your daily pages too if you want, right? Very cute, I think. And the cute little banner stickers are from the Maggie Home sticker book as well. And then the little dots I used, these are from this sticker sheet. And these are printed on clear sticker paper, these little dots here. And I'm pretty sure that this sticker sheet is from here. I pulled the sticker sheet out quite a while back, but I'm pretty sure it's from the Shimelle sticker book. Alright, so that's that layout. And then the next one, this one here. So with this one, I used more Maggie Home stuff. I used a bunch of these stickers from the new Heritage collection of hers. So a bunch of these stickers are from the cardstock sticker sheet from the Heritage collection. This is the ones that I have left. Okay. And then these letter stickers up here are from the Heritage sticker pack. I did not make a haul video about this stuff, showing everything. I normally like to do that to just show you guys stuff, but I just got excited about using stuff and I didn't really want to wait. But you can see you get an alpha set there, right? So I used some of those letters. And then that's from the Heritage Ephemera pack. And then these little stickers that I chose to use for the days of the week, these are from the Jen Hadfield sticker book. This sticker book right here. And there's a page of these tiny little labels, these cute little labels here. So I stamped the days of the week on them using a roller stamp. This roller stamp right here, this is from American Crafts DIY Shop collection. This is an older roller stamp, so I'm not sure if you can still get it, but I really like this one because it has the days of the week, and then also there's other little things like created on. The little scissors, created on, and then you can put the date. I just think that's so cute. And some of them are actually a little too long for the label sticker, but I didn't really mind. See, for example, this Wednesday, August 21, it kind of goes past the border of the label, but it doesn't bother me. And then this cute sticker that says, "You are my home." That sticker is from this sticker book as well. I just wrote about Wilbur, so that's why I wanted to use that sticker there. And also this cute little arrow is from this Jen Hadfield sticker book as well. It looks like a branch. So that's cute, eh? Because normally you don't find stickers like that, an arrow that looks like a branch. I just think that's cute. And then here, again, I used that washi tape, that same polka dotted washi tape. So you can get totally different looks with that same washi tape, right? So here I use it around the edges, right, of my pages. And then here I used it to separate my days. And then here I use it to separate my days again, but you get totally different looks depending on the other things that you use with it. Alright, and then this next layout is totally different from these last two layouts. So here you can see this has a kind of a vintagey look, right? But kind of a whimsical look with the colors. And then more of a vintagey look here. And then we go into bright colors. See, I really love using things in a variety of styles because it just makes things more interesting to me, right? If I was to always make the same style layout, page after page, then I don't know, I think I would maybe get a little bit bored, right? So I do like to switch it up, right? So here I used this washi tape. This is actually meant to be a checklist washi tape. I got this from Jet Pens, this washi tape right here, and it's from a brand called BGM. It wasn't very expensive. I think it was less than $2 for this washi tape. So you could use it as a checklist, right? But I just thought it would make a cute border as well. And instead of having the, well, I tried to make the border go from edge to edge at the bottom, but then the spacing was a little bit funny at the end. Like I just got like a part of a square. So what I did was I just moved the washi tape and centered it between the left and right sides, right? And then just left the space on the ends. And I thought that looked kind of fun too. Like, it's a little bit different from having the border going all the way to the end. So that's what I did there. And then in this case, to separate my days, I did something a little bit different from the other layouts. I used a zebra mild liner, this zebra mild liner right here, and I just drew little lines across. And I used the grid in the Hobonichi as my guide. So I just kind of went from one corner of the box to the other corner of the box, and then just did that across the page, right? And then for my main decorations, I used these washi stickers. I just thought that they went really well with the BGM washi tape, right? So I used these washi stickers that I got from my friend's Etsy store. Her shop's called Sweet Supply Store, if you want to check her shop out. I did buy them from her though. I did not get them for free or anything. And then for the days of the week here, I used stickers from Dear Lizzie's sticker book, this sticker book right here, and the stickers are from this page right here. And they say different things. So instead of just saying Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, this one says Sweet Sunday, Motivation Monday, Terrific Tuesday, Wonderful Wednesday, Thankful Thursday, Fun Day Friday, and Super Saturday. So I use those for my days of the week. And then for the little numbers, I use the same ones that I use on the other layout. The ones from this sticker book right here, the little circles. I use these again, right? So I just wanted to point this out. I use this little blimp sticker. That's from the same set as all these other washi stickers. And then I drew this banner. I didn't do such a great job, but I drew this banner with the same mild liner that I used for the border here. And then I put the August sticker. This is from the Mandy sticker book I showed you before. So that way it looks like the blimp is pulling this sign. And then for my little dots here, I used this Zig Clean Color dot pen. This is the color called Splash. I love these pens. I made a video about these if you want to check that out. I really recommend these because they're so fun to use, but you could also get really small dots. So if you look at my other layouts, the dots were considerably bigger. See that? I don't know if you can see. All right. I love using these stickers too. I really do. There's nothing wrong with having larger dots, but it's just considerably bigger. See that? So if you want to make tiny dots in your journals and planners, then these pens are really great for that purpose. And then for this layout, I actually used another Zig Clean Color dot pen. This is the Platinum. It's a light gray. I just really like using these a lot. Alright, so you have it guys. I hope this video gave you some ideas if you're thinking about making your own weekly layout. Just try it. It's so much fun. If you've never done it before, it's really a lot of fun. You can just go to town with the decorating, you know what I'm saying? I do have fun decorating my Hobonichi weeks. I really do. But this is even more fun to me. And I really like having a larger format too, because this is the A5, right? So it's quite a bit bigger than the Hobonichi weeks. You can decorate more, and I love using tons of stickers and ephemera and stuff, right? As you guys can see. So you can fit a lot more stuff on the pages, right? And then you can really customize it to your life. So for example, this day, I just had more stuff to write down than this day, right? So I could make that section bigger. I just think that's so awesome to be able to make it really your own, you know? So I hope you guys enjoy this, and as always, I just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully catch you next time. Alright, bye!